Alright, Pandora Box 9S Plus, but the question is, can we add more games? Let's find out! Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. So in today's video we are going to talk about once again the Pandora Box 9S Plus because, alright, so to wrap it all up, the Pandora Box 6 has the option to add new games, but the Pandora Box 6 only uses a USB thumb drive. But this one doesn't have a thumb drive, this one has built-in games, and I've noticed there are already some games added. So what we're going to do, we're going to open it up, remove the screws, and we're going to check inside, can we remove the SD card and can we read it out by basically sticking it in the PC. If so, we're going to show if I can add new games, if we can remove games, and let's see what we're going to get. It's time for some magic. Alright, so we can see here this little sticker is on the SD card. And I'm very curious, if we remove the SD card, can we add new games? Okay, this is going to take forever. Come on, don't have any nails. Yeah, almost. Oh man. I hate those stickers. But the question is it more like a basic system that you can click in the SD card, or it's just basically popping out? Because I know of these SD cards, if you remove the sticker, it's going to, there's a problem getting it in the Pandora box. Okay, I'm going to clean it up beside it. Oh man, this is going to take forever. Alright, this is what I'm afraid of. They're not using these, let's say, click-in systems like normal CF card, but they're having this flip-open version. So if you're putting the SD card back in, you need to be very careful that you're going to use something to lock it. Because as you can see, it doesn't lock from himself. So that's a little bit of a problem with these things. And oh, fun fact, if you're having a problem with your Pandora box, it's highly possible that this is the problem, that your sticker is getting loose because of the year, and the glue under the sticker is very old and it doesn't hold your little lock mechanism in position. So just wanted to point it out, and alright, let's stick it in the PC and let's see what we're going to get. Alright people, so I am ready for it. I have the SD in my hand. Let's put it in my card reader and in the USB drive and let's see what happens. Alright, it's recognizing disk. Keep in mind, if it's saying you need to format something, don't do this, because you are going to ruin your SD card. Just want to say it, because I have noticed in the comments some people already did. Alright, let's close this. It's recognizing it. But what you can see, and this is a problem, you only have 3 boot files. That's it. So people, this is a very big problem. We cannot add and remove games very easily. So they locked up the system. So if there are any people who have an idea how to reach it through another way, you can always leave it in the comments. So I just wanted to do this quick testing video to show you what are we going to get when we're pulling out the SD card and sticking it in the PC. The Pandora Box 6 has the option to basically add and remove games because we have this thumb drive. Alright people, so for the final conclusion, if it comes to adding games to the 9S Plus, weird thing that you can see in the menu that they added games, but there is no way of adding games like the Pandora Box number 6. The reason why I opened the SD card, because there is no thumb drive in this thing, so everything is on the SD card. There's nothing on it, there's no SD card, but you're getting the point. So this saves you a lot of time of opening up your Pandora box and peeling off the sticker and trying to add games to this device. If you have any idea how to do it, I'm always open for your suggestions, so leave it in the comments. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell. I'm going to put it back together, and that concludes this video. And if you like gaming, don't forget to check out the Wicked Gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.